this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Australia. I'll be trying a recipe for Pavlova, and this video is dedicated to all my boyfriend's family from Australia. So let's get started. So your first step you want to do is separate 4 eggs, because you're going to need 4 egg whites. Now after you separate your eggs, you want to have the egg whites to room temperature, so I would like to wait an hour. As I'm waiting for my egg whites to reach room temperature, I'm going to get my pan ready. So I'm going to make mini ones, so I got my little stencil and a marker, and I'm just going to trace. After I trace all my circles, I want to turn the paper around. So now we have our pan ready. I'm going to preheat my oven right now at 250 Fahrenheit. Before you start your meringue, make sure your bowl is nice and clean. You can always use lemon juice to wipe the bowl. Super clean. So let's start our meringue. I got my 4 egg whites. I'm going to put just a pinch of salt. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cream on tartar. Now I'm gonna whisk this into a soft peak. Add my egg whites, soft peak. I want to add sugar, a little at a time. This is 1 cup of sugar. So I'm adding the rest of my sugar, and I want to whisk this until it's stiff peak. Now to check if your meringue is ready, just put some on your fingers. If you feel the sugar still there, and I still feel sugar on mine, you want to whisk it more. Until you don't feel the sugar anymore. Now that my meringue is at stiff peak, the sugar is well dissolved in the meringue, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk that in. Now that my meringue is all done, so you can see a stiff peak. Now I want to add the cornstarch. I just want to fold it in. The half teaspoon of cornstarch. Just gonna fold that in. Before I start piping, I'm going to put some meringue on each corner of the paper, just to help this paper stay down while I'm piping. So I started piping my my Pavlova, but the paper bag kind of didn't work for me, so I just divided it into 6. And now I'm just gonna use a spatula to fix them, just to get to that round shape. Now I'm just going around the sides, just lifting it up a little bit. So it has a little dent in the middle so we could put the whipped cream. Now my oven's already been preheated to 250 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put these in the oven, and it might take to 50 minutes to an hour. Now these took only 45 minutes. I'm going to leave it in the oven to cool down. You can tell when they're ready when they have a hard shell. Now I'm just going to use a spatula just to hold the door open and let them cool in the oven with the oven off. Now it's time to make our whipped cream for our Pavlovas. So I have 1.5 cup of heavy cream. I have 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to whip this into soft peak. So our whipped cream is now done. You could see that it is soft peak. Now it's time to assemble our little cakes. If you can see here, some of them broke right in the middle and some didn't. But it's okay if it cracks in the middle because you're gonna put your whipped cream anyways. So let's grab one. We're gonna put whipped cream right in the middle. Then I'm using strawberries and blueberries for my topping. You can use any fruit. You can also use raspberries or blackberries or even kiwi. Any fruit you love. Let's put some on top. And there you go. Now it's time for the test taste, and you can see how beautiful it will turn out to be. Back onto there. Oh, my blueberry fell. So you can see from the inside, it's like a marshmallow texture. This Pavlova, can't really say the word, came out really delicious. It has a marshmallow texture inside. If you love marshmallow, then definitely give this recipe a try. I hope you guys do, and tell me how it came out for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.